Your home's windows do more than provide a view. They play a vital role in comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. In a place like League City, where coastal weather brings humidity, heat, and the occasional storm, your windows face unique challenges. Over time, even the best windows lose performance, making replacement a smart investment. Here are the most common signs that it's time to replace your windows. Rising energy bills. If your utility costs are climbing despite moderate usage, your windows could be to blame. Older windows often develop gaps and lose their insulating seal, allowing cool air to escape during hot League City summers. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder, which translates into higher energy bills. Energy-efficient replacement windows can significantly reduce energy loss, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures and lower costs year-round. Drafts or uneven temperatures. Feeling a breeze even when your windows are closed is never a good sign. Drafts indicate air leaks around the frame or through damaged seals. You might notice certain rooms feel hotter or colder than others, especially during extreme weather. Replacing old, leaky windows with modern, properly sealed ones can restore indoor comfort and eliminate those pesky temperature fluctuations. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should operate smoothly, but years of use, moisture exposure, and warping can make them hard to open or close. If you struggle to lift or slide your windows, or they don't stay open without support, it's time for an upgrade. In humid areas like League City, wooden frames can swell, and metal ones can corrode, both of which compromise function and safety. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your window frames carefully. Cracks, rot, and water damage are all red flags. Wood rot is especially common in coastal climates, where salt and humidity accelerate decay. Once water seeps into the frame, it can lead to mold, structural weakness, and even pest infestations. Replacing damaged windows early prevents costly home repairs later on. Condensation between the panes. Condensation or fog between double or triple pane windows indicates seal failure. When the airtight barrier breaks down, moisture seeps in, reducing your window's insulation and visibility. This not only affects energy efficiency but also signals that your window's insulating gas, often argon or krypton, has leaked out. In this case, replacement is usually the only long-term fix. Excessive outside noise. If your home feels like it's right on the street even with the windows closed, your windows aren't insulating sound properly. Modern replacement windows feature advanced soundproofing technology and multi-pane glass that significantly reduce outdoor noise. This upgrade can make your home quieter and more peaceful, especially in busier League City neighborhoods near I-45 or major intersections. Outdated appearance. Windows contribute heavily to curb appeal. Faded, warped, or mismatched frames can make your entire home look tired. Upgrading to modern window styles, like sleek vinyl frames or energy-efficient casement designs, not only boosts aesthetic value but also increases resale potential. For homeowners in League City, new windows can be an attractive selling point given the city's growing housing market. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself constantly repainting, recaulking, or fixing hardware, it may be more cost-effective to replace rather than repair. Modern windows are built to resist weathering, corrosion, and UV damage, meaning fewer maintenance headaches and longer-lasting performance. Upgrade for comfort and efficiency. Replacing your windows isn't just about fixing problems. It's about improving your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. With the right window installer in League City, you can choose energy-efficient options tailored to local weather conditions. Whether you prefer vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, new windows can make your home quieter, safer, and significantly more energy efficient. Final thought: if you've noticed any of these signs, don't wait until the damage worsens. Schedule a professional window inspection and explore replacement options that fit your budget and style. A smart upgrade today can save you money, enhance comfort, and give your League City home a fresh new look.